If you're on the road this year enjoying the great outdoors, or if you're caught home during storm season, Verizon has some new tech that will help you keep the lights on. I'm Patrick Moats. Welcome to this week's Tech Byte.
Brought to you by Rogers Technology, transforming tech challenges into solutions.
We have our friend Winnie Wright back in studio today from Verizon, on loan as always, to talk to us about camping, the great outdoors, and something that is not a cell phone that you can take with you. Winnie, thank you for coming back. What have you brought me today, and what can we do with it?
Patrick, I'm glad to be back. And now that summer vacations are in full swing, we want to show you some really amazing technology that's going to help our adventurous customers stay connected. This is the Anker Solix Portable Power Station. It's a portable generator.
Okay.
And it's got a lot of power in it, enough that you can charge your phones, tablets, a drone, even a mini fridge. And it's got some really interesting capabilities. So the Anker Solix, it can power up to 6 devices all at the same time. And on just one charge, you can actually charge an iPhone 20 times.
20 times.
And the display, if we come around to the front here, it measures both the input and the electrical output as well. So you know just how much juice is left in the tank. And it's pretty small, but mighty. I mean, for a generator, this weighs less than 9 pounds.
Okay, so it does all of those things, but like you said, we're in the outdoors, we're glamping, we're camping. What happens when it dies? How do I recharge it?
Yeah, so it has a lot of different ways. And this is probably one of my favorite features about this. You've got AC adapter, USB-C adapter. You can charge it with your car outlet. We got a socket here, but it also can be charged via solar. So say you're out camping, you don't have access to electricity, you can actually charge this back up, turn that mini fridge, or maybe you need the Wi-Fi. Turn the Wi-Fi back on that way. And it only takes 2.5 hours.
So 2.5 hours on solar power?
Yep. So you go out, do your hiking, this can be charged right back up in 2.5 hours. And it's not just summer vacation. You know, we are in the middle of hurricane season. And whether you're in the middle of the country or on the coast, we're all affected by those power outages due to storms. That's another time that this is really gonna come in handy, because those power outages are kind of a given, you know, at this point.
Sure.
Say the power goes out at home, this device, you're gonna be able to keep the Wi-Fi router charged for up to 20 hours.
Okay.
You can do the lights in your home for almost 40, and you'll be able to keep all your devices charged, stay connected during those times that really matter most. You know, you're at home, no power. This is gonna be able to help get you through those times.
Gotcha. So whether I'm in the great outdoors or the great indoors, no matter what, Verizon can help me have power.
That's exactly what we're here for, to help you stay connected. We know whether you're outside enjoying yourself, enjoying summer vacation, or inside trying to get a little reprieve from a power outage, this is gonna be a great option for you. It's got a lot of really great capabilities, and like I said, only weighs 9 pounds, so it's easy to take along with you.
For more information about today's portable power system, visit your local Verizon retailer or Verizon.com. If you want to see us feature your episode or have questions about today's, please shoot me an email. I'm Patrick Moats. Thank you for watching Tech Byte.
Brought to you by Rogers Technology, transforming tech challenges into solutions.